Hello and welcome to Chrome Story. I've got some exciting news today. So if you ever wanted Google Chrome to launch when you open Windows or log into Windows, and if you wanted Chrome to open automatically, it was not that easy to set up. You needed a little bit of workaround and it is not straightforward. Now, today's update to the Canary channel has brought a new experimental flag. That's what you're looking at. Enable launching Chrome on Windows Startup. You enable that, restart Chrome, and a pop-up shows up asking for permission. You click allow, and on the startup section of settings page, if you look at all the way down here, there's a new toggle that says launch Chrome when Windows starts. So as long as that is enabled, every time you log into Windows, Google Chrome will automatically open. And with that, whatever you configure here, if you set a few pages or maybe the new tab page to open every time you open Google Chrome, those pages also will open automatically. So that's a very useful feature. I know a lot of people have been looking for this for a very long time. So it will take a few more weeks for this to show up on the stable channel of Google Chrome. But for now, this is exciting. Let me know if you found this useful by clicking that like button below. Thank you.